Hi everyone, today I am in Prato allo Stelvio in the Stelvio National Park. We are going together to discover the Stelvio Pass. The Stelvio Pass was built to connect the Val Venosta to Milan through the Valtellina. The building works was started on 1822 and the end of the works was in 1825. The Stelvio Pass was built just in 3 years. After the building, the Stelvio Pass was opened all year round. Now is opened only from May to September. Only on 1928 the Stelvio Pass was paved with asphalt. Was the year where my grandfather was professional cyclist. The pass have 48 hairpins in the Prato allo Stelvio side, where we are now. And in the other side, to Bormio direction, have 40 hairpins. In the top of the pass, you can visit the museum that tell about the building of the Stelvio Pass. Stelvio Pass was 13 times stage of the Giro d'Italia. Now we go together to discover the Stelvio Pass and to see the stunning view from the top of the pass. Andiamo! Everyone, we are finally in the Stelvio Pass. Wow. This is the place.